Welcome back, student. Last session we have finished the question number 1. Also, we have derived how this formula came in a picture. This formula of factorization. Okay. If someone have not gone through the video, please go through. So cool. Then let's proceed further with the remaining question of this practice set 2.4, which is basically based on formula. When I say formula, we have one formula. It's called minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That's the formula we are going to use in each and every question, because this says you have to use the formula. Okay, there are some steps. That steps you have to follow each and every time. First, compare with the general equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and try to get the value of a, b and c every time, so that your life become easy, because you need to substitute a, b, c in the formula. Once you find the value of a, b, c, then you have to start using the formula, but directly not use the formula. First you have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. Why? So that you'll get less number to play at the end. Right, so after solving the b square minus 4ac, you need to substitute the value of b. So b value is 6, then 6 square, 4a is equal to 1 and c is equal to 5. So this will be 36 and 20 equal to 16. Now you have found b square minus 4ac. Now you have to find two roots. One, this is plus, and next time this is minus. What does it mean? So here the variable is x square, so your root should be x is equal to minus b. Once plus b square minus 4ac will be minus. Let's solve for plus first. X square minus b, in place of b you need to substitute the value of b, that is 6, plus square root of 16 divided by 2 into a. So it will be minus 6, square root of 16 is 4, divided by 2, so answer will be minus 2 divided by 2, that is minus 1. So this is your one factor. Second factor would be, so in place of this plus, right, this is plus and minus, so next will be minus. So next factor will be, this will be second factor number 1. So factor number 2 could be x is equal to minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2. Okay, in place of b you need to substitute b's value, this is minus 6, 16 square divided by 2, almost same, only thing plus minus difference. So minus 6 minus 4 divided by 2, after solving we'll get minus 10 by 2, so that is minus 5. This is your second factor. It's very easy, only thing you have to follow the proper approach. Cool, let's proceed with the next question. It says x square minus 3x minus 2. Last question I have explained everything. Now we'll have to proceed immediately and compare with this equation with what? With general equation. After comparing the equation with general, so general equation, let me write once again, not to get confused. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So after comparing, you'll get what is a? A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to minus 2. Substitute the value in the formula. B square minus 4ac. B is minus 3 whole square. 4 into a is 1, and into, I'm using bracket over here because there is a minus sign, so we have to be careful. 4 into 2, 8, but plus 8, so it will be 17. Okay, now your first factor will be x equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and second factor will be x equal to minus b minus 4b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Substitute the value, get the answer. Very simple. Minus b in place of minus b. In fact, in place of b, you need to substitute b values, that is minus 3, plus b square minus 4 is how much? 17, divided by 2 into a value, that is 1. Okay, so after solving 3 plus root 17 divided by 2, there is no further square root available for 17, so we can keep it as it is. Similarly here, x equal to minus b, so that is minus 3 minus root 17 divided by 2 into 1, so it will be 3 minus root 17 divided by 2. And the second factor, so you can write x1 x2 if you want, but it's not required. So this is factor number 1, this is factor number 2. Let's proceed with the next question. Again, no need to write the general equation again, but if you wish, for clarity purpose, you can write, but make sure to find the exact value of a, b, c. So here in this case, if you compare, a will be 3, b will be 2, and c will be -7. Substitute in the formula, b square minus 4ac is equal to, so b is 2 whole square minus 4 into 3 minus 7. Whenever you see minus sign, right, try to put bracket to avoid any kind of issues or any kind of incorrect practice. So better use bracket. So it's 2 4 into 7, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. So it will be 88. Perfect. So first square root, let's say here in this case we have m, so I can write m is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now quickly substitute the value. Okay, minus b in place of b will be, what is the value b? 2, minus 2. So here plus minus, right? First factors, I'll use just plus. B square minus 4ac square root of 88 divided by 2 into a is 3. So 2 into minus 2. 88 we can reduce further, right? So we can write 22 into 4 divided by 6. After solving, minus 2, 4 can come out, square root of 4 is 2. So 2 root 22 divided by 6. We can take 2 common out of it. So equal to, it should be 2 in bracket minus 1 plus 22 divided by 6. Okay, this will get cancelled, remaining will be 3. So your answer will be minus 1 plus square root 22 divided by 3. This is your first root. Similarly, second root, m2, everything will be same, just that minus sign will be different. I'll write immediately like this, 2 into 22 divided by 6, again 2 common. Okay, so if I take 2 common, 2 will be gone, the remaining will be 3. This is your second factor. Easy. Factor number 1 and factor number 2. Damn. Or else if you don't want to write separate, you can write at one time. I'll show you also how it happens in next question. Question number 4. In question number 4, let's see. Immediately compare with the general equation. After comparing, a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 4, and c equal to minus 2. Okay. Now substitute the value in the formula. What is b? Minus 4 square, 4 into a is 5 and c is minus 2. After solving, 16, 4 5s are 20, 22s are 40, but plus 40. So this will be 56. Now substitute the value in the equation. Which equation? Substitute the value in the formula. What formula? M is equal to, now previous question, as of now we have written separate. I'll write at one go. Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, what is a b? Minus 4 plus minus, this will be 56 divided by 2 into a, that is 5. Minus minus, it will be plus 4 plus minus 56. We can write 14 into 4 because we can get some values outside of the root. Okay, after solving further, so 4 plus minus 4 will come out, it will become what? 2 root 14 divided by 10, and now we have a 2 common. So inside what will remaining? 2 plus minus square root of 14 divided by 10. So it means 2 will get cancelled with 5. So remaining is what? 2 plus minus square root of 14 divided by 5. Now immediately you can write 2 factor, one factor with plus sign, so 2 plus root 14 divided by 5. Another factor, 2 minus root 14 divided by 5. This way also you can solve, that way also you can solve. It's your choice, nobody going to cut your marks. Similar fashion, we'll solve next question, that is question number 5. It's like this particular question, right? This is not, I cannot say this is not in general equation form, but little bit factor denominator we have, so we have to remove that so that we'll get proper numbers. So multiply throughout by 3, so it will be 3y square plus y is equal to 6, right? Now convert into proper general equation. 3y square plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Compare, so you'll get a is equal to what? 3, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 6. Substitute in the formula. B square minus 4ac equal to 0, not 0. Substitute this into b square minus 4ac. What is b? 1. 1 square minus 4 into a is 3 and minus 6. 1, 4, 3 are 12, 12, 6 are 72, but plus 72. Why plus 72? Plus minus minus become plus. This is 73. Now we have to get the factor. Now we have variable y, so we'll write y is equal to plus y equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Do not miss to write this formula every time. This is required, right? If you miss this, chances are you might lose half mark. So minus b, so minus 1 plus minus, this we have already figured out, root 73 divided by 2 into a is 3. So there is no square root available for 73. We can write as it is, right? So we'll have two factors now. Immediately we can write y1 first factor, that is minus 1 plus root 73 divided by 6. Second will be y2 minus 1 minus root 73 divided by 6. Isn't it damn easy? No need to rush, it's very easy. Let's go to the next question. We'll finish all the question of this practice set, right? So after that we'll start next session. Now this is the final question of question number 2. 5x square plus 13x plus 8a equal to 0. This is already in general equation form. So a is equal to 5, b is equal to 13, and c is equal to 8. Immediately let's substitute and get the b square minus 4ac. So b is 13, 4, 5, and 8. Super fast. 4 5s are 20, 20 into 8, 160. So this is 9. Wow, such a big number. Now convert it into a small number. Substitute in the equation. So here we have x. So x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. What is b? 13 plus minus, what is b square minus 4ac? 9 divided by 2 a, and what is a? 5. Solve it. Minus 13 plus minus 3 divided by 10. Now here in this case, so we have proper number. So your first root should be x1 is equal to minus 13 plus 3 divided by 10. So, and second will be right here, x2 is equal to minus 13 minus 3 divided by 10. So, okay, so here minus 13 plus 3 minus 10 minus 10, this will become minus 1, and this will be becoming minus 16 by 10, or you can write so minus 8 by 5. So now again we got two root very quickly. Use this approach in exam so that you will get answer quickly and accurately. The last question of this particular practice set, it's just an explanation what we have done as of now. It's very easy. So it's written what? With the help of the flowchart given below, solve the equation x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. So they have given the steps. Oh, how smart they are. The main steps they are given in the end. Compare equations x square plus 2 3x with the general equation to find the ABC. That is most obvious, we are doing it already. So if you compare with general equation, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2 root 3 and c is equal to 3. Now next find the value of b square minus 4ac. Every question we have done the same thing. Not sure why they are guiding now. So b 2 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 3, no, not minus 3, plus 3. Okay, so 2 root 3 square, 2 square 4, root 3 square is 3, 4 into 3 12 minus 4 into 3 12. This becomes 0. So this particular portion becomes 0. What does it mean? There is no root? No. we cannot say that there is no root. We have to solve it further. So saying that x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now this portion is 0, right? So it means minus b. What is a b? B is 2 root 3 minus plus minus 0 divided by 2 into a. And what is a? Nothing, just 1. Then minus 2 root 3, let me write as it is, divide by 2. So now this portion is 0, right? So it means this is totally gone. So will there be no roots? No two different roots? No. You have to write two different roots. Reason we have already gone through, but let me explain again. So here in this case 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Remaining is minus root 3. So though we have only one answer, but every time there is a two roots reason, consider you have solved this question using plus minus, right? In that case also you will receive same answer. So every time you have to write two roots, that is mandatory. Okay. So we have 2 root minus root 3 minus root 3, even though b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Perfect. So in this way we have finished practice set 2.4, which is formula for solving quadratic equation. I hope you understood and the easy way to solve the equation. Please share this knowledge to your friends, and if you like the video, please subscribe and keep learning.